Downloading data from Google Photos is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully retrieve your photos and videos. Step 1. Sign into Google Photos. Go to the Google Photos website or open the app on your device. Use your Google account credentials to sign in. Step 2. Select the photos or albums. Browse through your library to find the specific photos or albums you want to download. You can select individual photos or entire albums by clicking on them. Step 3. Click on the download option. Once you have selected the desired photos or albums, look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward arrow in the toolbar. Click on this icon to initiate the download. Step 4. Choose the download location. Your device will prompt you to choose a location to save the downloaded files. Select your preferred folder or location and confirm the download. Step 5. Check your downloads. After the download is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved the files to ensure everything has been downloaded successfully. You can now view or share your photos and videos as needed. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from Google Photos. Enjoy your memories.